Hello traders, and welcome to another review of the ES Futures trading plan. Today is January the 3rd, we are in the second trading day of the year, and ES continues selling off. Let's see what the ES plan was for today. This plan is being posted every day before the European Open, because sometimes we get moves inside the European session, and members need to be prepared in case the index gets in some levels of interest. So let's see the plan for today. For today we had that the bulls will be in control above the upper yellow level. This is above 4789.75, and the target will be 4815.25. This is resistance 3. Below 4789.75 and above the lower yellow level, this is above 4774.0, there will be range trading. The term we use for range trading is bull bear fight. That means that we look to sell near the edges of the range. And below the lower yellow level, that means below 4774, the bears will take control, and the target will be support 3 at 4748.50. Let's see these levels on the chart before the European Open. So let's see what we had here. This is the chart of the ES. This chart is broadcasted via Zoom, so members can have the price action live in front of their screens with all the levels on the chart. What we had for today was that between these two yellow lines, the upper yellow line 4789.75 and the lower yellow line 4774, there will be range trading. What this means? This means that if the index approaches the upper yellow line, we can short with target the immediate level below. This is the pivot at 4782.0, the dotted red line. And from there, we can hold some runners for the final target, which is the lower edge at 4774.0. And vice versa, if the index reaches the lower yellow level, we can open some longs targeting the pivot and finally the upper yellow level. The interesting part of the ES futures trading plan is if the index breaks above this yellow line, above the area between the two yellow lines, that means above 4789.75, and if this happens, the index will trend and the target will be resistance 3 at 4815.25. If on the other hand the index breaks below the area between these two yellow lines, below 4774, the index will trend down and the target will be support 3 at 4748.50. So let's see what happened after the ES plan was posted. We see here that the index after the European Open tried to break above the upper yellow level. It failed to do that. This was a short with target the pivot at 4782. So we shorted here, we took some profit here, we held some runners for the final target, which is the lower yellow level. We took the whole profit here from the runners, and then we opened some longs here, targeting pivot at 4782. The index failed to reach pivot, so basically this counts as a failed trade. But after that, the index broke above the lower yellow level, above 4774, and then retested 4774. So here we opened shorts. The first target was 4764. This is support 1, then we had another target at support 2 below, and the final target at support 3 at 4748.50. Let's see what happened next as the session progressed, or after we reached support 1, we reached the first target. Here we see that the index reaches support 1, the first target. Here we took some profit, we locked the RNS break even, and the next target was support 2 at 47.58.25. We reached the US Open. The US Open, the index tried to break above support 1. It failed to do so, and then it sold off down to support 2 at 47.58.25. So here was the second profit taking, and at this point we hold only some small final runners for the final target, which is support 3 at 47.48.50. Here we see that we have a good bounce on ES. This bounce was caused by news 30 minutes after the US Open. So this bounce was quickly faded. As we see here, the index broke again back below support 2, and finally it reached support 3 at 47.48.50. Here we took all the shorts and we went flat for the day. So the ES trading plan provided a pretty good shorting opportunity, basically two good shorting opportunities, one at the upper yellow level after the European Open for the target in the lower yellow level. This target was hit, and the other shorting opportunity was after the break below the lower yellow level with a target at support 3 at 47.48.50, and this target also was hit. After the hit of the third target, the index bounced pretty strong. It went up to support 2 at 47.58.25, but as we said in the service, the important level is for the bulls is support 2 at 47.58.25. So we were looking to buy only if it breaks 47.58.25. The index hasn't managed to do this yet. The US session is still developing. We have FOMC minutes later, so this may provide some volatility to the upside or the downside. No one knows. And the thing is that in trading, we don't need to predict the future. We just need to react at the levels. And what we have to react is that either if we break above 47.58.25, we will go long, or if we break below 47.48.50, we can go short with target the next volatility level at 47.32.75. So what I would like to point out here is that I see many traders saying that if a level breaks, then the target will be that. But they forget to mention what breaks mean. When a level breaks, does it need an M15 bar or an M30 bar or something else in order to break? In the system we have, a break is defined by a 2+ point move on the other side. So if, let's say we open shorts here, the stop will be 2 points above. That means above 47.58.25 plus 2 points. This is at 47.60.25. And the stop will be there because if the index go beyond this distance above the level, then we define this as a break. And we also have a specific target. The specific target is the next level. So the short here has as target, the short at support 2 has a target, the support 3 at 47.48.50. So as you see, this trading system has a specific stop, which is fixed. It doesn't change from trade to trade. Specific targets and specific entries. The entries are always at the volatility levels. The levels, the dotted blue lines or the dotted yellow line or the yellow lines or the dotted red line, which is the pivot, only at these levels, only at the levels we have on the charts, nowhere else, and with specific stop to points and specific target. So the system is pretty solid. There aren't things that a trader must needs to guess in order to trade the system. The only issue for a trader is the execution part. I'm sorry. So the trader must be strict enough and mechanical enough in order to wait for the specific entry and not front run the levels. The trader must also be mechanical enough in order to respect the stop of 2 points and not move the stop, and also respect the profit trade taking. If these conditions are met with this solid trading system, it is more than guaranteed that the trader will make money. So that was it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. See you at the next review, and until then, stay safe, don't blow your accounts, and happy trading.